AI infrastructure is going to make millionaires in 2026. I'm not going to say that as financial advice. I'm not going to be gay with that, okay? I'm not a millionaire yet, so I can't really say that. I'm just purely basing this off chance. Um, but yeah, AI infrastructure is definitely a way to go in 2026 if you do want to become successful. I'm going to leave it at that. But what I want to explain to you guys what actually is AI infrastructure, and I'm going to just let ChatGPT explain this to you because I'm honestly not that good as a teacher to explain things in the most beneficial and understanding way possible. So I'm just gonna, let's just ask ChatGPT. So what I'm gonna say is actually let me share my screen. I'm gonna share my screen here. Um, put this down here. Yeah. Wait up. Hold up. Let me. Okay. I'm just gonna minimize me down here. Okay. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Should be good. Should be good. Okay. Yeah, I'm good. Okay. Cool. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT what is AI in frick frick structure in wait up how do you spell infrastructure, that should be it. What is AI infrastructure? Okay, AI infrastructure is the full stack of technology and systems needed to build, train, deploy, and run AI models at scale. Think of it as an engine room that makes AI actually work in the real world, not just the models themselves. Okay, so one, we have compute the power. This is what does the heavy math. GPUs, TPUs, CPUs, accelerators. Examples: NVIDIA, GPUs, Google TPUs, blah blah blah. Data infrastructure, networking, software stack, deployment serving, security, governance, and reliability. Simple analogy: if AI models are cars, then compute equals engine, data equals fuel, networking equals road, software equals navigation system, deployment equals delivery service, security, traffic laws, and safety systems. Why AI infrastructure matters? Because it enables faster training, supports scaling to millions of users, reduces costs and downtime, makes AI reliable and production ready. Okay, so yeah, we have that. So AI infrastructure is the technology to build, train, deploy, and run AI models at scale. As you can think, what is infrastructure? Structure that holds a building together. Infrastructure. Look, I'm not even good at explaining things, but anyways, what I want to show to you guys is what we can do with using Claude and also this thing over here, Google AI Studio with Gemini. So what I'm going to essentially ask Claude is to build build me a CRM system for a let's do car detailing company. Um, and we'll wait for Claude to respond. I'll create a comprehensive CRM system for a car detailing company, blah, 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 blah. Now it's just going to code it all out. This is why I love Claude. Claude is honestly the best coding agent tool out there. Like, it does things a lot better than OpenAI, a lot better than Google Gemini. I hardly use Grok. How's Grok going, by the way? I've also seen these videos of Grok getting a little out of hand. But yeah, let me know how Grok is doing. So we'll just wait for that. Yeah, like look, it's just going. It's going. Like this is this is fast. I need to go for a run soon as well. So let's get this done. Come on. Oh my goodness, this is actually really good. You can also copy this, paste it into Visual Studio Code if you do Visual Code Studio, okay, or Cursor, whatever you wish. In Word. Okay, so this should be done very soon. I just saw something there. Okay, here we go. If I click on this, if I click on this, okay, it's going something else. It's going something else. What is this? Drafting the artifact, interactive artifact. Um, we should be done. I'm just gonna wait for this, see what happens with this one. I don't have any idea what is happening with this one. Um, my plan was to just get the car detailing CRM system doesn't seem to be going that way. Isn't following the script. Okay, so get get paid extra for this. But yeah, let's wait for this, whatever this is. Okay, wait. Never mind. I'm being dumb. It says it right here. I need to update the CRM to avoid using HTML form tags, as they are not supported in React artifacts. I'll refactor it to use standard React event handlers instead. Cool. Okay. Let's just get the ball rolling here. I'm waiting. Voila. AutoShine CRM Professional Car Detailing Management. Dashboard, total customers, today's appointments, upcoming, total revenue. Okay, upcoming appointments. Customers, appointments, services, basic car wash, premium detail, full detail, interior only. This is immaculate. Can I click add customer? Oh, okay. I can click add customer. Now what I'm gonna do, Zayden von Stoll, German last name. Z von Stoll at gmail.com. Mind my spelling there. Okay. Con. Yeah, I'm just gonna, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. I don't want to share my phone number, of course. I will share my email. Vehicle. Let's do a Ferrari. Hope I didn't spell that wrong. Address. 21 Cuckoo Street. Okay. Whatever that is. That's cookie. But add customer. Wow. That's actually really impressive. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so I added customer and it added that customer. If I click on it, I can also edit it. Okay, cool. Can I delete it? I'm sure I can. Now, what happens if we go over to appointments? Schedule appointment. This is actually impressive. For customers, anyone store basic car premium detail. Date, let's do that, whatever that is. Time, yeah, okay. So it seems like, oh, wait up, I will add this manually. Nice. Okay, cool. 10 p.m. Notes. Schedule appointment. Maybe I need to write a note. I'll just put notes. Okay, now that's an error right there. We would fix that. But cancel does work. Services, okay, cool. This is actually really nice. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not lying. Delete. Does the delete work? Okay, so we'll need to add a function in there unless okay, that doesn't seem to be working there. But that's where you just make some improvements. Now, what I would like to try is if I do copy the code here, copy that code, I want to head over to build your ideas with Gemini and I want to see the difference. Okay, so let's paste this here and let Google Gemini build it. Now let's see if Google Gemini can build this better than Claude. I'm just going to wait again. In the meantime, let me know how your day's been going, the week, the start of the year. Let me know how it's been going in the comments. And hit the follow button if you want to keep in touch with me. Like, I'm really on a pursuit to greatness. Timothy Chalamet. No, but I really am. Like, by the end of this year, I'm really aiming towards 100k followers, 100k of audience. I have a big plan, like big scale. Okay, I'm Zayden von Stoll. Von Stoll. I'm Zayden von Stoll. Can it get any better than that? My last name's German. My first name's what is my first name? Zayden. Hayden. Zayden. Australian. Okay. But the main catch is my last name's German. Um, I am on the pursuit to greatness, and I want to become as AI intelligent as possible. I'm on AI engineering courses. I'm sharing on social media. I'm so indulged in AI. I want to apply this to funnels. I want to apply this to websites. I want to apply this to anything, startups, AI. I want to build my own app. But that involves consistency, and I need to really apply that consistency because I haven't really applied in the year before, 2025. No consistency, but 2026, consistency. That's what I really want to focus on and push towards, is that consistency, because consistency is what leads towards greatness. And like I said, I'm on the pursuit to greatness. So that's my line. But this hasn't even loaded yet. No idea why it's so. We already have strike one for Google Gemini. Takes a bit slower, but good things take time. So I'm fine waiting a little bit, depending on how good Google Gemini actually produces this. I think, yeah, we're using Google Gemini 3 Flash Preview, Google Gemini 3. I believe that's the latest one. Yeah, I believe it is. But look, if we go back to Claude here, like that's like this here, that's actually that's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Like, have you ever experienced something like this where AI can just build this? Now you can take this advantage when you're building your own app. Just use Claude Code. It's the best AI tool out there. You also have Cursor, which also has AI built into the systems when you're coding out. AI helps you to actually build it piece by piece. But you can also maximize Claude to build your AI systems, to build your app. Stop doing it all manually. We have AI. Take that to advantage. Now, is it ready? No, it's not. Maybe I need to cut this scene. Go ahead. But I'm not. Maybe I will actually. Now I can click publish. What happens if I do click publish? Publish artifact. Publishing this artifact will make it accessible to anyone on the internet. Now, I don't really want to because this might be a good idea. I don't want to share it on the internet because it's actually not even done yet. It's a shame that but it's good that I can edit it. It's great. This is still loading. So maybe I'll just cut this part. It saves me from talking a whole lot. I'll just cut this part, and we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna take these signs off, by the way. Come on. Should I get on Twitch? Should I just get on every social media platform that there explicitly exists? Should I? Should I not? That's a question for you to figure out. Anyways. It's still loading. Okay, I'm not saying that. I'm gonna get banned. But I'm black, so I can say that. Anyways, maybe we just doom scroll while this loads. Would that be the best route? No, because I'm on the pursuit to greatness. Okay. Cut the line. Pull the thumbs. Maybe I just play a little bit of chess. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna play a little bit of chess while this loads. Okay, so don't mind the little twitch. Okay. Let's play some chess while this loads. I'm gonna go the usual route. The route everyone goes. Yes, he goes there. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull the. Never mind. I'm gonna I'm gonna copy his move. E5. This is actually taking a while, Google Gemini. I'm starting to get a little bit impatient with Google Gemini, so maybe I may need to change it up a bit. Okay, so what's he doing? He bring the horse. I'm gonna bring the horse out as well. Horse to c6. It's c6, right? Yeah. Okay, come on. Load! Oh wait, internal error occurred. There wasn't finish. There was an unexpected error. I don't know what's happening here, okay? Don't know what's happening. Now this queen, we want to. She's gonna get that out here. She's gonna line that up. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna bring this here. Okay, I'm getting a bit impatient. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have started this. This is actually getting boring. Though Google Gemini isn't loading, I may need to cut this. But look, let's just focus on the positive of Claude AI. Claude AI, you can use this for your app building. Okay, I definitely recommend it because that literally took like around 2 minutes to build. Just this CRM system that you can use for your clients. Okay, whether that's lead generation or just for your basic app, B2B, B2C, etc., whatever it may be. That was good. Though, yeah, Claude for AI infrastructure. AI infrastructure, what is AI infrastructure? Well, AI infrastructure is basically what helps to build, deploy, train, and run AI models at scale, essentially. Okay, so it's like a building. What do you have a building? When you're building a building, what do you have? You have the layout of it, you have the poles to really just set it and really just hold its weight while, people walk on top of. However it may be, I'm trying to explain it best as possible. But that's AI infrastructure. Build, maintain, and deploy AI or AI agents. But this is just some of the infrastructure that I'm sharing right now. It would better explain if Google Gemini did load it, but it's not loading, so I may put that in a separate video. But yeah, that is just a slight taste of what AI infrastructure is. I'm gonna go for a run.